got taken everywhere with us, and he was hand raised alongside a Magellan's Eagle Owl, which is sat down there, and also my German Shepherd. Now, German Shepherd will friendly with the birds and everything, and he sits there, and some of the birds will snuggle up at the side of him, but this one in particular used to attack him. He used to grab hold of his tail because he was all big and fluffy, and keep going. And he ended up looking at you as though say, "Will you get it off me again?" So now I'm going to move that. It's on there on the side. Now this noise that he's making, all he's saying there is feed me. Come on. I've just moved the perch, that's all. So he's just saying feed me, because he looks on us as being mum or dad. And then as he gets to a breeding age, unfortunately for me, I'm going to have to become this one's better half. So I'm going to have to become his wife. Bob, come on then. Now you'll see when he flies towards us that he has this dish-shaped face. He has a wing that is a big broad wing. Can I get you to pop your left arm in there for me, sir? He has this big broad wing. And all you tend to see is this dish-shaped face. Now that basically acts like a satellite, so you can pinpoint exactly where his prey is.